What's up, Peak Timers? We finally have another case unboxing, and we are unboxing the 2020 Hot Wheels M case. I picked up this case from granittoys.com, so if you want to get your own, check out granittoys.com. I will link it in the description box below. The regular treasure hunt for this case is the Triceratops, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the 65 Ford Galaxy. There's also a very special new Lamborghini. Let's go ahead and start unboxing it. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. We'll grab a couple cars out. We've got the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. We got this previously, very cool looking car. Then we have the Astana Moto. This is part of the Fast and Furious Spy Racers, which is on Netflix. All right, let's see what we have next. We've got a 49 Merc. That is really cool. I kind of like the color on that. The look of that is really neat. And what else do we have up top here? We've got the 1992 BMW M3. We've got the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. Love that color. 42 Willys MB Jeep. And then we've got a clip rod and the 89 Mazda Savana RX-7 FC35. That's a cool looking car. And pedal de metal. After that, we've got the Rip Rod, and this one is all chromed out, very cool looking. We've got the Corvette C706 in white and the Land Rover Defender 90. We've got another Corvette, the C706, Surf and Turf, and the 2010 Chevy Impala. That looks like a NASCAR type car. Ooh, and here's the special Lamborghini. First, we'll look at the Hot Wheels armored truck and the brand new 2017 Lamborghini Urus. And we did have the Lamborghini Urus previously from Hot Wheels, but it was the concept variation. This is the actual stock production variation. It looks so much better. I can't wait to open this one up. And we'll put those aside. Next up, we've got another one of the Astana Motos. We've got the TV series Batmobile and the 92 Ford Mustang from the Hot Wheels Art Cars. And we've got another chromed out car. It is the Batmobile. We've got the Alpine A110 Cup car and a Land Rover Defender 90. Rip Rod again, not chromed out, TV series Batmobile and the 2009 Kia Stinger GT. All right, good case so far. And there's more to come. We've got the Geoterra. Sorry, I almost pronounced that very wrong, but Geoterra. We've got the Baja Truck and the 89 Mazda Savana again. There we go. And we've got another clip rod, the Baja Truck, and the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. What do we have down here? We've got Roger Dodger, new color of that. The 65 Ford Galaxy, this looks to be like the regular mainline variation, not the super. And we've got a Dodge Charger Drift, and that's in a really cool matte color. That's gonna be interesting to open up. And we'll go to the bottom of the case now. Take out that paper. And what do we have up here? We've got the 52 Hudson Hornet and the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug, another one of those. And we've got some cars up here. We'll take all these down here, right here. All right, we've got the 69 Chevy pickup. We've got the 84 Firebird, Pontiac Firebird, a Mountain Mauler, and custom Ford Maverick, all flamed out. And then we've got another one of those Ford Mavericks, the 92 BMW M3 Police Edition, and the Slide Kick. All right. And next up, we've got the Fast Feline, then the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, and a Donut Drifter. What else do we have? Roger Dodger, their new color. There's the new Tesla Model 3 in blue. I love this new color of this one. Looks fantastic. And we've got the Sand Blaster. And what else do we have down here? Rip Rod in a new color, nice black color there. And we've got the Moto Wing and the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in yellow. That looks really cool, like that. And what do we have? We have Ford Falcon XB, and we've got two of the Forward Force. Okay. And we've got some more cars down here. 69 Chevy pickup, another one of those. 52 Chevy, and the Linster prototype. What do we have? We've got another one of those Teslas. Love that. The 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor in a new color. And we've got another 52 Chevy. And we're getting close to the bottom here. Turbone charged. There's another one of those Miatas. And we've got Surfs Up. Wow, that is a very interesting one. This is obviously made for the Olympic series, but look at that car. Wow, that is really, really cool. I love how they do that. Can't wait to open that one up. That's going to be fun. And we've got custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT with the Hot Wheels Racing logo. There's another one of those 69 Ford Boss 302 Mustangs and the Alpine Cup car. And our last three cars of the 2020 M case is the Speed Driver, the Turbo Rooster, and the Hot Wheels Armored Truck.